Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying updates and protecting your system. Make a system restore point now so you can undo changes. Next, inspect default apps and set Photos or Windows Photo Viewer temporarily. Once done, test an image double-click. If it still opens wrong, you will use the default app's reset and then move to repair steps. These initial actions reduce risk and show whether simple defaults or permissions cause the problem, so you don't waste time on deep fixes yet. You'll now reset the Photos app and re-register it to repair corrupted handlers. Open Apps, find Photos, then Advanced Options and reset it. After that, run PowerShell as admin and re-register the app package using AdApp's package register with the package manifest path, which reinstates broken app links. If you prefer Windows Photo Viewer, import a small registry file that restores its file associations. Once complete, test several image types, so you verify both JPEG and PNG open correctly, and behavior is consistent. Finish by checking system integrity. Run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files that affect viewers. Once those complete, reinstall Photos from the Microsoft Store or install a trusted third-party viewer and set it as default. If issues persist, roll back to your system restore point and note error messages, event ID, and file types. This info is the key troubleshooting tip. With those details, you can save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.